On behalf of our association, I want to express our deepest gratitude to the Hong Kong government and CCIDA for their funding support. And thank you to you. The 5 million sponsorship was fully allocated ahead of the program deadline. This is a real achievement for our design community. Let me share a few key numbers. We have received 445 submissions. This figure reflects not just quantity, but the outstanding quality of design talent emerging from Hong Kong.
我哋唔單止要幫設計師走出去，我哋仲要幫香港嘅設計登上去世界國際嘅舞台。
咁今次介紹呢個 project 咧係一張喺大館嘅凳嚟嘅。咁咧佢就想我哋加一啲座位俾佢做一啲 performance 啊，一啲 movie night 啊，或者甚至一啲 dancing 嘅 performance。
我仲用咗一個比較詩意嘅諗法啦，就係光明嘅地方騰咗喺前面，咁人哋入咗去暗嘅地方，又出翻去陽嘅地方，spatial 嘅 journey 會有啲好似所謂嘅一種提升咁咯。
咁我哋 project 入邊係做一間村屋嘅，將成個氣氛轉咗去巴里風形式嘅一個 design， 咁就因為佢氣候嘅影響啦，咁我哋用咗好多嘅竹藤織物啦，咁就去有巴里嘅感覺，同埋有啲香味喺度啦。
This is our Roux booster. This is the follower of our previous product, the Pop-Up booster that you might have seen before. Firstly, improve the duration of the product, the lifespan. Secondly, to bring the cost down. And third, to make it more environmentally friendly.
太古廣場入邊有5個中庭位置，都會有唔同嘅 installation 啦，嘗試轉化傳統建築嘅元素，以一個當代嘅一個方法去呈現啦。
通過一個嘅學禪啦，咁樣慢慢個心理上面有所轉化啦，咁所以我哋就會越嚟越淺色，越嚟越淺色。法師都講話佢哋好多都變得非常之樂觀啊，同埋對生命更加開心。
透過今次嘅機會，亦都去海外做一啲交流咁樣。其實係一個關於海洋公園嘅一個 project， 咁就係一個香港公園首次嘅一個沉浸互動展覽啦。咁過往亦都做好多 artech， 我哋講藝術科技相關嘅一啲策展。
咁呢一個酒吧咧就係001大館，我哋個 client 嘅 brand 001同埋大館呢個 historical site 嘅一個結合嘅作品啦。
大家都見到啦，其實佢係一個嶺南 style， 即係比較 Chinese style 嘅風格嘅雞尾酒吧。諗到將魔術嘅元素同成個酒吧結合，即係譬如話屋頂啊、一啲亭台樓閣啊，我哋將佢倒轉咗，咁好似置身喺一個夢境入邊咁樣。
This project is called Pyrocraft, so it is a material exploration project, and the idea that you can have a material that responds to the surrounding and to keep evolve have been really fascinated by designer for many centuries.
呢個 app 咧，其實我哋考慮設計嘅時候咧，考慮幾樣嘢。Input 就有譬如話有 AI 嗰啲技術啦，有啲中方好傳統嘅一啲咁嘅養生嘅思維啦，同埋一啲西方嘅營養學咁樣。
呢個文具咧就係 for 一啲artist 啦畫畫用嘅，點樣可以解決唔好篤穿張紙，亦都可以畫到越 extend 佢嗰個半徑啦，可以畫到 A0 size 嘅。
而呢兩個盤咧可以分開獨立用，亦都可以咧合埋一齊，個名叫做共生啦。嗰個意念咧其實係源自於中國哲學裏面虛實相生、天地相合呢一個概念嘅。
Each of you have demonstrated creativity, passion, and excellence. You are the reason Hong Kong design continue to shine on the international stage. And let's keep designing a brighter future together with Hong Kong Designers Association.